Hey there, thank you for joining us today in this new Azure Learning Portal video. So today I am gonna talk about how to create new Azure Web App. So you guys must already be familiar about this Azure landing page. So right here on top you can see this app service. Once I click on that, I'll reach to on my app service tab. So here I can see my all existing web app, and to create a new app option. So you can create a new web app, either click on add here or through the global create option. So once I go to global create option, there where you can see this web app, and once you click on that, it will create immediately. Okay, so there are a couple of things that are common across all the resources that are adopting this view. Okay, so the first thing is the subscription, where you need to select your existing subscription. So I'm gonna select this my partner subscription, and the second is the resource group. Okay, so resource group is nothing but like a virtual folder, and we can put our all resources inside it, and then we can use this resource group to share with others. Like suppose you want to give the permission to your colleagues or mates, so you can leverage this resource group features. So let's call this resource group demo app rg. Will not allow the space, so this is demo app rg. So I'm going to use demo app rg, the name of the resource group. Click on OK. Now I'm going to jump into the app specific settings. So the first thing is the name. So I'm gonna give this ECL demo app, and once I give the name, it gonna validate that this name is unique on the Azure website.net domain. So if you can give some other name which is not unique, then it will give you error like demo. So okay, so here you can see this, the app name demo is not available because that is already used by some other app on the specific domain. So again I'll ECL demo app. Okay, cool. You will able to see this name is available, and uh, whatever name I have given here, that is unique on this domain. Okay, now I'll jump into this publish option. So there are two options, one is code and one is Docker container. So if you want to publish your own code, then you need to select this code option, or if you want to publish the Docker container image, so you have to select the Docker container. But in this demo, I'm gonna use this code option because I want to publish my own code. Now here we have option for upfront selection to runtime stack. So there are lots of choice are available for the runtime stacks, but for this demo I'm gonna use this ASP.NET 4.0 sorry 4.8. So in this ASP 4.8, only one operating system available, which is Windows. Okay, if I'll select the older version .NET, then you will have the multiple choice. Either you can select Linux or Windows, but always recommended option for .NET runtime stack is to Windows. Okay, so let me select ASP.NET version 4.0. Now we'll move to region. So region, these are the regions are available where we have the Azure Data Center. So I'm gonna select the Australia East where my web app gonna live. Okay, then next is app service plan. So for this demo I'm gonna use this free app service plan where we have some limitations like 1 GB memory, limited CPU, limited bandwidth, but for this demo or development and testing purpose I reckon this is the right choice for free tier. Okay, so I'm click select it and apply. You can also see like other option like production and isolated. So based on your requirement and your performance, you can select your app service plan. So here I'm gonna use the free service plan. Now next jump into the new tab, next tab, and deployment. Actually it is in preview mode, so I'll keep this as default, disable. Next, monitoring. Here you can see this application insight is available for this, but in this demo I'm not going to use this application insight, so I'll disable this option. I'm gonna jump into next tab, and this is tag. Okay, so this tag sometime it is very much important while you are using the cost centers. Okay, so most of the people using this tag option for cost center. For instance, if you want to check like which project or what project is using what money or what department is using what money, so this tag is the perfect choice, and based on the tag you can check and verify the costing department wise and project wise. So but here I'm not going to use this tag option. So next, click on review. Okay, so here is the summary tab where you're gonna get your all detail of your Azure Web App and your service plan. Okay, so and backend is also verify all the settings which you selected. Now I'm gonna click on create. So once I'll click on create, it will take around 30 seconds, and the app will be available on cloud and ready to scale. So meantime it is deploying, I'm gonna show you the same kind of pattern are available on other resources like create virtual machine. So you're gonna see that the same pattern and view are available while you are creating the Azure virtual machine, as Azure SQL database, and the Azure resource group. Okay, so see this is very small set of pattern and applied across all the board, and it really makes easier to accomplish this kind of task like creating a virtual machine, SQL database, resource group, and many more. Okay, so it really makes a lots of sense, because if I know how to create web app, then I can easily create the other resources like SQL, virtual machine, and resource group, and many more. Those are adopted this view. Okay, now let's move into our deployment. So yep, our app is successfully deployed and on the cloud and ready to scale. So thank you for joining me on this video.